The Order Rule Engine feature helps you automatically apply changes to your orders and items within your orders. You can split an order, change warehouses, and more, based on the conditions and actions that are applied to the rule. To activate the Order Rule Engine, you need to go to Settings, choose Client Settings, and click on Orders. Tick the box to enable the rule engine, and click on the Save icon on the right. You can create, test, copy and delete rules at all times. Simply go into Orders, choose Rule Engine and click on Manage Rules. To create a new rule, click on Add New Rule and enter a name for your rule. Apply this rule only to specific groups of orders by enabling the checkboxes. The next step is to add conditions to your rule. Type the condition name and select the condition type. To gain even more control, you can add a sub-level condition controlled by the top-level condition. You can easily enable or disable conditions and actions. After that, you will need to create an action that follows the conditions you added. Enter the action name, select the action type, and click Add. If the order satisfies the given condition, the system will automatically perform the actions created for this rule. Click on the green flag to finalize the process and create your rule. Note that rules will only be applied to orders created after enabling the rule. To view the execution log of each rule, go to Settings, Orders, Rule Engine, and click on the execution log.